we present customized solutions for servo presses. Precise press and control and convenient data analysis function, FLEXPRESS, C&M Robotics AC Servo press generates thrust by precisely controlling the AC Servo motor and ball screw. And it is optimized for automatic assembly and pressurization processes that require advanced quality control with stable quality, flexible delivery time, easy-to-use SW, and reasonable price. FLEXPRESS has a variety of series and a wide range of models, so you can choose the right product according to your application and working environment. FLEXPRESS consists of servo press body, servo drive, and PC. Control Technique's servo drive provides a stable and accurate control. And various communication methods with PLC are supported. Up to 8 accesses can be managed simultaneously with one PC. In addition, since work results can be easily managed with DMS, C&M's data monitoring system, systematic quality control is possible in any process and operation. EM series is a standard model and has various capacities from 2 kN to 500 kN and is suitable for press fitting of precise parts such as bearings and oil seals as well as for compression molding. HEM series is a high-speed model, and the maximum speed is twice that of the standard type, so it can be used in press fitting of parts with short cycle times. PEM series is a model suitable for pressurizing and holding for a certain period of time, and it is widely used in the process of lamination pressurization, such as thin film compression and battery cell stacking processes, as well as compression molding. BEM series is a bench-type electric servo press with a built-in electric apparatus, and it can be used immediately upon purchase, making it suitable for small quantity batch production. HP series is an electro-hydraulic hybrid servo press. It is a model with compact size, high speed, stable high power, and precise control function. In case of high-capacity pressurization of 30 tons or more, the investment cost for equipment is much lower than that of the electric press. So, it is widely used in manufacturing processes such as powder molding and thin film compression. DMS, a data monitoring system for FLEXPRESS, enables systematic quality management with easy-to-use screen menu, real-time quality control, and various data analysis functions. FLEXPRESS is used by many leading companies such as Hyundai, Kia, Toyota, Geely, Bosch, Schaeffler, and so on, and is exported to 13 countries around the world. Total solution provider for press control technology. C&M Robotics is always with you.